In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to use URL images. Like this image here. We have here an image URL and I wanna use it without the source of it. I don't want to add all of the images inside my project. So how to render an image with its URL. And we're gonna talk also about the blur. We want to make this image blurred or something. How to do this? That's what we're gonna talk about in this lesson. First, if I want to add an image from URL, look at this source. We just delete this delete this, and add an object. Inside this object, we have a property called URI. And let's put URI, it's a string of our URL. So all what we need to copy this URL and put it here and save. Look, the image is here. Let's increase the width and height of it to 200 or let's make it 300. Yes, so we can see the image. And here in Android too. That's Android, that's iOS. Let's try one more image. We have here a second image. Let's copy its URL and put it here. And save. Tint color, let's remove this tint color. Great, and let's make it bigger. For example, 300. Great, isn't it? That's the height and the width of it, 300. Now I want to make it blurred. We have here a property called blur radius, and let's give it blurred. If we just type 10, it's blurred, as you see. If we make it 4, every time you increase this number, you make it blurred than before. Okay? That's the blur radius of it. Let's make it, for example, 3 here. Great, isn't it?